Hi, it's Melissa from Appeggio, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add and format links. So within Appeggio we can link to external URLs, but we can also link to internal pages within the app, and that's really easy to do. There are particular parts where you can link directly from those parts. So for example, we can link a card to another page. We can also link buttons, we can link avatars, and we can link list items. So let's start with linking a card. To link a card, you select the card, and then we go over to the link to, and here we'll see all of the internal pages of our app. We can link to any of those. We can also link it to an external URL, so if you know the URL, you just pop it in there. But for the purposes of this, we shall link it to an About page. So I've selected About. You can see that it's now highlighted. And then if I click on this page, it goes to the About Us page. Now let's go back to our home page. So that's the same process that we can use when we link a button, when we link an avatar or link a list item. We can also add a link part. So if we go over to our parts menu here, we can add a link. Now what I'll show you this one where we've got link between text. So what this one is we've got some text, we have a link, and then we have some text after. So it's been added here, and then we can just edit the text as we would normally edit our text. And I'll add some new text there, so I'll say go to the About page. To learn more. And then that's where we can put our link on that particular part there. You can see we've got the link to. Now that's where I'll say About. So when I click on this link, it also goes to the About page. Now to format what this link looks like, if we want to remove the underlining from it, we can select that one there, hover, and then the underlining's gone and it just appears when we hover over the top of it. So there are other sort of links that you can add here that don't have they're not in the sentence, they're just actual links. And you format those the way you would format any sort of text. So you can change the font, the family, obviously, the size, the weight, etc. Now I'll also show you what happens when we add a button, because that would be the most common way that you might link something. So here we have a button, you select the button, and like before, you choose where you would like to link that button to, an internal page or an external URL. You can also nominate the link behavior. So whether you want your page to open in a new page, to open in itself, to open in a parent frame or in a full window, you can choose how you want your page to open. Just to recap, we can link from various parts in Appeggio. The parts that we can link from include buttons, cards, avatars, and list items. And we can also add links via our parts menu on the left. And we can link to internal pages, we can link to external URLs, and we can format the link behavior. Thank you.